So now for today's video, I'm just going to show you how to replace this rip up because the water is leaking, keep leaking. So while it's up right now, right? Because the water is still dripping. Okay, so the first step is you need to turn up the bulb. Turn up this one. And the next is you put it to pilot. And next one is you need to turn up the supply. This is the cold. So turn off that. And next is you need to release the water from right here. You open this, turning this clockwise or counterclockwise. So your objective is to release the water until it's go down to the level. Water go down to this level so that you could remove this. So you open that also until the water stop. And now we're gonna take it off this. Counterclockwise, going this way. We are going to compare the two. Okay, first of all, right now, as you can see, the color the same and the model is the same. So model is NCLX-5LX. So right here, NCLX-5LX. And this one is 150 psi to 210 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's the same thing with this one, 150 psi to 210 psi. Okay, you're gonna compare the size, the same, and also the length. The length are the same. Okay, so I'm going to install this one now. So first is we need a Teflon. So when I put the Teflon, I usually don't go all the way the end. Why? You will see the difference. Look at the old one. So the Teflon goes all the way here, like that. The rest is go inside. See? You don't want that. Okay. There you go. I don't know, like this. I'm gonna turn this one to the right. Okay, now this one is tight now, so I'm just going to line up right now. So let's say reach the bottom, that's good. Hmm. All right.
Parang sa inyo yan, simple lang, no?
Huh?
Sa inyo, parang simple lang.